Welcome to our video comparing Intel's latest addition to their processor lineup, the Core i5-12600K, with AMD's Ryzen 5 5500. In this video, we will be evaluating both these processors based on performance, price, and features. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. When it comes to performance, both processors have their own strengths and weaknesses. The Intel Core i5-12600K offers a higher clock speed and more processing cores, making it ideal for heavy-duty applications that demand high resource utilization. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 offers strong single-core performance and is suitable for gaming and other tasks that require fast, responsive performance. While both processors are impressive in their own right, the Intel Core i5-12600K edges out the Ryzen 5 5500 in terms of overall performance. When it comes to price, the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 offers excellent value for money, retailing for just $98. However, the Intel Core i5-12600K is a more premium product and commands a higher price tag, retailing for $208. While the Ryzen 5 5500 is a clear winner in terms of price, the Intel Core i5-12600K offers more advanced features and better performance that justify its higher price point. Both processors pack a punch when it comes to features. The Intel Core i5-12600K boasts hyper-threading architecture, improved onboard graphics, and turbo boost technology that deliver high performance for demanding applications. It also has 16 megabytes of L3 cache for improved system performance and built-in Intel UHD graphics controller for better quality graphics. The AMD Ryzen 5 5500, on the other hand, has 6 cores and 12 processing threads and comes bundled with the AMD Wraith Stealth Cooler. It also offers 4.2 GHz max boost, DDR4 3200 support, and is unlocked for overclocking. While both processors have their own unique features, the Intel Core i5-12600K wins in terms of overall features and versatility. In conclusion, both the Intel Core i5-12600K and the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 are excellent processors that offer powerful performance and advanced features. The Intel Core i5-12600K is a more premium product that justifies its higher price point with better overall performance and more advanced features. However, for those on a budget, the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 offers excellent value for money without compromising on performance. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.